5 signs your Porsche's timing chain is about to give out. Rattling noise coming out of your Porsche's engine compartment. More often than not, it signifies a timing chain issue. Check out this presentation to find some more signs of timing chain failure. Signs that indicate timing chain failure in Porsche. Clue number 1, rattling noise when starting car. The timing chain, like a bicycle chain, can become loose over time. Loose timing chain could skip sprocket teeth and cause the engine to run out of sync. A strange rattling noise would emerge as a result. Clue number 2, engine misfire. A loose timing chain can throw your Porsche engine out of time. As a result, the engine would run rough and may even misfire. Clue number 3, engine won't start. Having a hard time breathing life into your Porsche engine? If the culprit is not the battery, it could be the timing chain. Yup, you read that right. A professional will tell you exactly where the problem is. Clue number 4, blinking engine light. The sudden appearance of the check engine light can take anyone by surprise. The list of reasons why a vehicle's engine light starts flashing is very long. One thing that would top the list is a faulty timing chain. Clue number 5, metal shavings in oil. This is yet another sign of premature timing chain wear. Common causes of timing chain failure. We have compiled a list of reasons that may contribute to timing chain failure. Defective tension or engine seizure reached max. Useful life irregular engine servicing. To be brief, timing chain is at the center of a vehicle's engine. The health of your Porsche's engine depends on its maintenance.